In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload fonts in Canva. Whether you're working on a personal project or a professional design, having the right font can make all the difference to your work. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily upload your own customized fonts into Canva. First things first, begin by heading over to Canva's homepage. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in. So go ahead and click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. This will bring you to the login page where you can proceed to click on Continue if you've already set up your account credentials previously. Should you be using a Google account for Canva, simply select that when prompted. Once your account is selected, click Continue, and you'll be smoothly logged right in. When you reach the Canva dashboard, locate your project, the one where you'd like to use a custom font, and open it. If you haven't started a new project yet, create one that aligns with your current design needs. Within your project, look to the Editor toolbar and select the Text option. This allows you to add text to your design. Go ahead and click on Add a Heading to input some sample text, which will serve as a placeholder for your font. Now, focusing on the text box you've created, look up to the Font drop-down menu, which typically defaults to Canva Sans. Click on this and you'll see a list of available font styles. Scroll down to find the Upload a Font option and click on it. Here's your chance to insert your own touch into the design. You'll need to upload a font file, generally in the .otf, .ttf, or .wwaf file types. These are the standard formats Canva supports for custom font uploads. After selecting the Upload a Font option, a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click on Yes, Upload Away to proceed. You'll be directed to your file directory where you can search for and select the font file you wish to add. Choose the desired file and it will quickly upload into Canva's system. Once your font is uploaded, you can select it from the list to apply it to your text. Upon successfully uploading and choosing your new font, you'll notice that the appearance of your design text changes to reflect the font's unique style. And just like that, you're done. Your font is now fully integrated into Canva and is ready for you to use in any of your design projects. That's it for today's tutorial on how to upload fonts in Canva. With this handy skill under your belt, you can further enhance your designs with the perfect typography that resonates with your message or brand. Happy designing!